Hey, what's up? It's YL with Blockchain Academics. In this video, I'm going to be unraveling some of the most popular crypto scams in the scene. So everybody's trying to take your Bitcoin. That's hackers, ICO fraudsters, anybody, because it's so popular these days to scam people's crypto because it's irreversible and most of the time you don't know who it is. So we're going to look at two different scams right now. These are high yield investment programs or products. So first one is Suzuki Coin. They're offering, basically, let's just look at the numbers quickly. It says 109 days online, 18,000 investors, 168 people online as of today, 1.8 million invested, 1.1 withdrawn. All these numbers are skewed, they're fake. So basically what it is, it's a website that offers trading. So all you need to do is put money in there and they'll trade it for you and get these high returns. Let's look at some of the returns they are offering. 2% daily if you put $50. If you put $2,000, you get 2.5% daily. And if you get $3,000 in there, you get 3% daily. Looking at this plan, this is the most attractive plan. That's 90% a month. Over 1,000% a year. So let's just say we put $3,000. That would be 3%. So you'd get $90 forever apparently. So 90 times 365. That would get you 32 grand. Do you see how unreal that sounds? But so many people fall for it. And I'm not going to knock anybody down because I fell for one of these too. I'm going to show you guys how much I lost. Before we go further, make sure to subscribe, like, comment. We got a ton of opportunities to come your way. You can join our Discord for chat, talking to other traders, and finding the opportunities firsthand because that's where we share it. And on top of that, we got a bunch of value coming to you guys. So let's continue on with this. This is just a straight up scam. Any website that wants you to put or to send them cryptocurrency and they'll give you back a return, it's a straight up scam. On top of that, they're offering a referral program. Look at this. So level 1, 20%, level 2, 4%, level 3, 4%, level 4, 1%, level 5, 1%. I don't get that. That doesn't make sense. But obviously, they just want as many people coming in and they'll steal everybody's money. So if you can help them load some crypto on there, they'll give you a cut. Look at the type of money they take too. Perfect Money, Payeer, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Obviously, they'll take all cryptocurrency, even Bitcoin Cash. They'll take Dodge too. So it's like they just want your money. Let's check it out. So let's look at the referral program. Never send your Bitcoin to anybody promising you high returns because you're not going to get it. This is the referral program, I guess, down there when you sign up. Here's a similar website, Bitcoin Forever. Earn fast like lightning. So it's a safe investment apparently, but this, you're going to get 10% of Bitcoin a day forever. 13% here, 17% here, 30% here. So what's this, 900% a month? Doesn't even sound like you have to be stupid to invest into this. $9,000. You're going to get 22, or no, not $9,000. You got to put $1,500 for that. I don't know. Minimum. Okay, maybe not. It's $15,000 for that, I believe. Oh, I screwed that up. Okay, let's go to the 30% daily. To put in 15,000, you're going to get 2,200 a day forever. Doesn't even make sense. You know, these websites look good and they're offering a referral commission. Obviously, they just want you to invite as many people as you can. United Kingdom, Littlehampton, this phone number, these are definitely just set up as just a blank company. You can see here as well. This doesn't mean anything. No names, no signatures. There's nobody behind it. You can't find a team. That's another important thing. Let's see what representatives. Okay, Mexico, Vietnam, India, US. Like I said, this is all fake. There's no information here anyways. Like, look at how unprofessional this looks. But unfortunately, so many people lose their money to this. So high yield investment programs like these ones where they just are offering a daily profit for trading your own crypto, stay away from. Let's look at this one, CryptoSource. This is a cloud mining. So apparently you invest Bitcoin in them and then they'll mine for you. They'll buy the equipment, they have the electricity, so they'll mine for you. Look at this package. After 1 day, you make 125%. It looks like they're only going up. Every website's trying to offer like the most irresistible deal. 230% after 5 days. This package is 500% after 15 days, 2600 after 90 days, 5200 after 180 days, 11,000% after 360 days. These are just straight up scams. For mining packages, minimum invest $10, maximum is $1 million. I doubt anybody's going to put that in there. And then you can see here that these are other bigger packages, and obviously they take cryptocurrency and any form of payment. They'll take whatever they can to steal your money. And it's not surprising. They have an affiliate program too. So look, they accept Perfect Money, Payeer, and I don't know these two processing companies, but I can guarantee that they don't give your money back. There's no way if you send it through these two, you're getting your money back, and for sure not through Ethereum and Bitcoin. So same kind of UK address. And you would think, some people might think UK address is legit because, you know, it's in the UK, but I got scammed by a similar address like that, and I'm going to share with you guys and show you guys how much I lost. So, Suzuki Coin, if we look at the who is, everything's private. Operate Bitcoin, everything's private. Crypto Source, everything is private. You see one thing here, it's in Panama. I'm from Panama, maybe I'll come find this guy. Take the money, give it back to the people. But you can see everything, there's no team, they offer high returns, it's just scams. If you want me to look at a cryptocurrency project, post it in the comments below. I'll do a full analyzation. I'll fully analyze it, and I'll give you what I think, because a lot of these projects are just straight bullshit, and they're just trying to steal people's money. And I lost money like to a similar high yield investment program when I first invested into Bitcoin, and it's right here. So they're claiming that I got 100 Bitcoins that I could withdraw, and this was very similar, saying that, oh, you get some Bitcoin daily. And this is when I first started trading. Okay, maybe not. I was just going on a cruise, I believe, so I figured, why not put 5 Bitcoins, as you can see here. Why not put 5 Bitcoins while I'm on this cruise, and when I come back, I'll already be in profit and whatnot. As soon as I took off on the plane, landed in the country, I believe it was Italy, the website went down. Maybe my 5 Bitcoins was enough for these guys to shut down. Social media went down, email went down, live chat went down, and a couple days after, they vanished. So yeah, it happens, and it's just a lot of greed. That's where it is, you know what I mean? It's like, for sure this sounds too good to be true, and when it does, it usually is true. So learn from my mistakes, take my warnings. Do not invest into programs that offer high investment returns like these. This is straight bullshit. If you want to ask, send me a question, send me the website, I'll let you know what I think. It'll most likely be a no if you have to send it to me anyways. So that's about it. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment. I'm going to help you save money, I'm going to help you make money, and I'm going to give you guys tons of value. So that's about it. Signing off out here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.